how to fix Instagram freeze page isn't available right now. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, all you have to do just try to restart your phone. So just hold on your power button and then wait, then click restart. And if that doesn't fix it, now second method is go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, go to apps again, and here you will find trades. Click on it, force stop it, and go to storage, clear cache, go back, and then just try it again, and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.